In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable MFA on Udemy. It's a straightforward process, but taking a few extra minutes to secure your account can make a big difference in protecting your personal information. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari. Whichever one you're most comfortable with works perfectly. Type in Udemy in the search bar at the top of your browser and hit Enter. You should see Udemy's official website appear in the search results. Click on it to be directed to the main homepage. Once you're on the Udemy website, you'll notice a Sign Up button near the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click that button. Now, if you already have an account, feel free to skip this part. But if you're new to Udemy, you'll need to fill in the required information, which typically includes your name, email, and a secure password. Take a moment here to ensure your password is strong. Empower it with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After successfully creating your account or logging in, you should see your initials in a small circle at the top right corner near where you found the Sign Up button. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account Settings. This is the hub where you can control all the finer details of your Udemy account to suit your preferences and, most importantly for today, bolster your security. Scrolling down within your account settings, you'll come across a section labeled Account Security. This is what we're interested in and what you should locate next. Here, you will see the option to enable multi-factor authentication, commonly abbreviated as MFA. Go ahead and click Enable next to this option. Upon clicking Enable, you'll be prompted to confirm this change to your security settings. This step adds an additional layer of security by requiring you to verify your identity, usually with something you know, like a password, and something you have, like your phone. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. You might be asked to input a code sent to your phone or email, so keep those devices close by. And there you have it. You've now enabled multi-factor authentication on your Udemy account. This simple, yet incredibly effective measure will greatly enhance the security of your account, helping ensure that your learning experience remains safe and sound. It's always a good idea to periodically review your security settings, not just on Udemy, but across all your online accounts. Keeping things secure allows you to enjoy the content and courses without a worry in the world. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was as seamless for you to follow as it was for me to share.